I separate the onions. Yeah, I'm not crying, it's the onions. I'm not crying. I am crying. Shut up. Hello, today we are going to make onion pakodas or onion bhajis. In Bengali we call it Peyaji. It goes really well with masala chai. It is very popular during monsoon season. So when it rains, people make chai and onion pakodas. The ingredients are onions, green chillies, gram flour. You can use plain flour or rice flour. We have salt, a bit of sugar and lots of oil to fry them. I have taken 6 medium onions here and I'm going to peel them and slice them thinly. Let's start slicing the onions. We need to separate the onions. I separate the onions. Yeah, I'm not crying, it's the onions. I'm not crying. I am crying. Shut up. So this is one of my favorite snacks. I was working in Pune in 2011-2012 time, and every evening on my way home from work, I would buy like a portion of onion bhajis with some chilies, like some fried chilies on the side, and have it with chai. So now we are going to add some salt to the sliced onions and let it sit for a while, 2-3 minutes. Mix it well so that the onions are covered in salt. I can already feel the moisture in my hand. Ha 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 ha. Can you see how watery these onions look? Now we are gonna add the chilies. Now the sugar. Just mixing it a little bit before adding the gram flour. Spicy. I'm going to add the gram flour now. Let's mix it and see how well we got the quantity right. You don't have to add any extra water now because you can see that the onion released water and we use it to bind. Can you hear that sound? So you can see like how easy it is to make onion bhajis, pakoras. Basically onion, salt, chilies and any sort of flour, gram flour, plain flour or rice flour. And it's hot and spicy, but you will love it. This is the final stage. I don't have vegetable oil, so I'm gonna use sunflower oil. Pour generously in the pan, let it heat. Right, shall we check if it is frying? Yes! Can you see that? We make small balls like that and then we dip it. Look at that. And then we dip it. And then we make another ball and then we dip it. That's how easy it is made. Make sure you fry it in low heat so that it doesn't burn and it cooks well. You see the colors? So it's like almost cooked. So we will take them out now. hot, hot, hot. That's like a batch full of onion bhaji. And that's our onion bhajis done. Oh, it's so good. It's really good. Anyhow, you can put some chaat masalas or some black salt. Just sprinkle a little bit on top. It's really good. Now we're gonna make our chai to go with our onion bhaji. So chai, in Bangla or Bengali we call it chai, is an emotion. You have chai in the morning, in afternoon, in the evening with snacks. You can have chai at any point in the day. When you're at work, you take tea breaks with your colleagues, with your friends, you go, you chit chat, people meet up just to have chai together in a tapri or a small side shop. If you're feeling sad, you have chai. If it is raining, you have chai. If you're feeling happy, you have chai. If there are guests at home, you have chai. It's a process. It takes your patience, and also you cook, you make it with love. The instant tea and the tea bags, they don't do justice. It's not the same. And people who have had my chai said they love it. So yeah, there you go. I'm making masala chai, which means I'll put some whole spices in the chai. So the ingredients are whole milk, best milk, chai leaves, tea leaves, a small piece of ginger, bay leaves, cloves, and cardamom, and sugar, of course. Heat up or boil the milk. You can also add the tea leaves. And in the milk we have put tea leaves, bay leaves, cloves, cardamom, and now we will put this ginger, but we'll smash it first. Smash it! Now we add the sugar. Hey, look, it's boiling. The color is coming. Can you see the color? It's like karak chai. Can't get this taste and color using tea bags, my friend. You cannot. Just when you see bubbles coming up, it's done. It's done, mate. And that's our chai done. Just going to sprinkle some chaat masala on top of these.